Bangkok, the traffic is so crazy. See right there? Wow. The traffic here is the craziest. This lane is moving. Wow, man. It is crazy. So packed up, man. And I was flying my drone 2 days ago. I realized also the air is so polluted. Bangkok, Thailand. Oh. Looks like a big car right there. So I need to buy some water here. Guy coming in, I see his I need to buy some water here. And I have a friend here. I don't know if today she's working. So, hey, Sawadika. They always greet you when you come in. That's a good thing. Hey, what's up? You never added me on Instagram.
Huh?
You never added me on Instagram. I was waiting your Instagram.
Instagram?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Oh, it's not you I talked to the other day? Maybe it's not you. Yeah, so I confused them. You know, now with masks, you can't actually tell who is who. So I need water. That's all I need for today. So I need to buy this water. Hello. So let's 14. So actually they are literally all over 7-Elevens, and there's no paper bag. Now they use this type of bags. Yeah. Hey, thank you. Okay. So just like that, now I have water with me. I should actually drink it, because when you go to restaurants, you're holding a big water like this. They actually don't like it, you know. Yeah, so I'm going that way. It's a big city, man. Now with this traffic, there's kind of an emergency. Those people. So those people taking advantage. The people riding motors, you see? They have taken advantage, so they're gonna follow. This is the embassy of Indonesia. I don't know, make it a big deal by filming it, but this right in front of me, the white wall, that's the embassy of Indonesia. Yeah, I don't know how to film it anymore. And maybe these guys are from Indonesia too. They look so happy, or maybe they are going. Hey, yeah. Hey, you from Indonesia? Oh, I see, you're taking pictures. I do YouTube. Yeah, I'll go to Indonesia in 27 March. Yeah. You have Instagram? Instagram? Sorry, okay. No, don't worry about my camera. Let me take your Instagram. Sorry. When I come to your home, I'll look for you. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so dark.
You alone?
Sorry?
You alone?
Yeah, I'm coming to Indonesia alone.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Africa. Yeah, so.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm a blogger, I'm a YouTuber.
What name?
Full time. I'll give you after this. And you? You are a blogger?
No. No.
Okay, but you have good camera. It looks like you like pictures. Maybe you are a blogger. Okay. And you? So you're from Indonesia?
Yeah.
You're taking pictures with your embassy, right? You feel good, right? Yeah. Oh, your name is So.
So.
Okay. So,
Can you take picture of?
yeah, I can. So, I need to take them pictures. So, just chill. How do you want them? Like this or like this? Like this. When you put them on Instagram. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Sometimes you help people just because you talk. There are a lot of security cameras. Wow. Hundreds actually. So sometimes you meet people, they are from Indonesia. And I'm going there in 27th. You know, I'm already creating, you know, in business we call it pipeline. Let me fix this stuff, man. Yeah. Oh. So in business we call it pipeline, where you meet people, potential clients. Look at those glasses, man. So I'm going down there. Oh, that's kind of surprise. So I'm gonna take you to my regular restaurant. I eat here every single day. That's because they really have good food. Today I'm going with my own water, so I just hope they don't feel bad. But this is where I eat every single day. It says food. And this has always been my chair. Right here. So let me wait for my friend. Hey, what happened? Yesterday you didn't come. Yesterday I was looking for you. I didn't see you. No. It's okay. Yeah, she doesn't understand much English. So I wanna see what I can eat. So I really like their foods. They are really nice. Wow, this looks really okay. This also looks really okay, but I don't like pound. This, maybe I should check this. With spicy New Zealand. Okay, I'll show you what I'll choose. Okay. That's the outside.